What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. For those that don't know me, I am Sarah Jeanette. I started this YouTube channel a while ago, actually, many years ago. But I stopped doing it. I would upload once in a while only. I don't know, you know how social media is. Like, you get distracted, you start living your life aside from social media. It's a full-time job. YouTube is a full-time job. So I stopped doing it. I would come back and leave again. I wasn't consistent with my videos. So if you left, it's my fault. If you stayed, cool, what's up? I'm glad you stayed. I am back. And yeah, I don't have much to say other than I'm excited to be back, and I am kind of making it a priority to do this, not only because like for you guys, but also because I find it actually fun. Yes, it takes a lot of time and it's time consuming, don't get me wrong, but the whole filming, editing, photography and everything I actually enjoy very much. So part of it, I think, is gonna help me focus on something that I like doing. So yeah, so I think I'm back to stay, and I'm excited to see what the future holds. So yeah, I don't have anything to say other than I'll try to upload as much as possible, and yeah, that's it. So alright, what's today? It's the end of the weekend, so have a nice weekend, and say hi. Bye. But you know, it's just, I don't know, it's adulthood, anxiety, stress, all that good stuff hits, and sometimes you kind of put yourself in like a funk and it's hard to get out of it, you know. So